There's a story of a little boy that enjoys collecting toy figures. And in true little boy or even little kid fashion, no matter how many times you clean up, toys seemingly always end up back on the floor. One day, the boy was outside playing basketball, and as his mother was walking through the house, she stepped on one of the toys and broke it. Frustrated, she makes her way outside to the boy and says, "Stop leaving your toys on the floor. I done stepped on one and broke it." The little boy stops and says, "It's not a toy, it's a collectible. And don't worry, Mom, Daddy can fix it." Later on that evening at the dinner table, the boy gave his dad the collectible. And he said, "Dad, can you put this back together?" Dad looks at it and says, "Yeah, I can do something with that." Some would argue that because he used the words "can you," he was asking, hoping that his dad could honor his request. But I came to argue that this "can you" in this context was used as a command because he knew the capability of the one he petitioned.